What's up, guys? It's your boy Taylor. Y'all take a moment and y'all watch this video all the way through. So what this is a PVC pipe reaming kit that Vevor sent over to me. Guys, this thing is awesome. I mean, for the price, you're not going to beat it. There's another company that makes one very similar to this, and like I said, it is very similar, but super expensive. So let's put it to the test, see how it does. Dang, guys, I'd say that did pretty dang good. If y'all are interested in getting something like this, I have the kit on my showcase on my TikTok shop, and I also have the video with the link. Y'all head over to my TikTok and you can grab yourself one today.